Hey everyone, MKBHD here. Tesla's been making waves again, but this time it's not about the Cybertruck's design. They've achieved something truly next-level cars that drive themselves straight out of the factory. We're not just talking about a few feet here. These cars navigate a complex factory environment, from the production line all the way to the loading docks, completely autonomously. It's a huge leap forward in self-driving tech, and a glimpse into the future of automation. Think about it. No more drivers needed within the factory. Cars efficiently moving themselves through production. This is a game changer, and today we'll dive into how it works and what it means for the future of transportation. So how does a brand new Tesla know where to go inside a bustling factory? It's a fascinating blend of cutting-edge technology and meticulous planning. Imagine a super advanced GPS, but instead of streets, it sees every corner and machine in the Tesla factory. This system is designed to navigate the complex environment with pinpoint accuracy. Tesla's full self-driving system uses a network of cameras, sensors, and a powerful onboard computer. These components work together seamlessly to gather data from the car's surroundings. These sensors create a three-dimensional map of the factory, allowing the car to see its surroundings with incredible detail. This map is continuously updated as the car moves, ensuring it always has the most current information. The onboard computer, powered by AI, processes this information in real time, making split-second decisions to navigate safely. It can identify obstacles, calculate the best routes, and even predict the movements of other objects in the factory. It's like the car has a brain of its own, constantly analyzing its environment and adjusting its path to avoid obstacles and follow the designated route. This level of autonomy is achieved through advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques. This level of sophistication is what makes Tesla's factory Autopilot so impressive and sets the stage for even more advanced autonomous systems down the road. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even greater innovations in the realm of self-driving vehicles, both inside and outside the factory. Now let's talk about why this is such a big deal. First off, efficiency. Having cars drive themselves within the factory means a smoother, faster production process. No need for human drivers means fewer delays, fewer potential errors, and ultimately, lower costs for Tesla. But it goes beyond just saving money. This technology has the potential to revolutionize how factories operate across industries. Imagine a future where autonomous vehicles transport materials, parts, and finished products, optimizing logistics and streamlining supply chains. Tesla's achievement is a peek into a future where factories are smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever before. Section 4. A Tesla's first drive. From assembly line to loading dock. Picture this. A brand new Tesla rolls off the assembly line, gleaming under the factory lights. It's the culmination of countless hours of engineering, design, and assembly. Each component meticulously crafted and assembled to create a vehicle that's not just a car, but a marvel of modern technology. But instead of being greeted by a human driver, it starts moving on its own. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of Tesla's cutting-edge manufacturing process. This is where the magic happens. The factory floor is a hive of activity, with machines and robots working in perfect harmony. It's a symphony of automation, where every movement is precisely choreographed. The car, equipped with Tesla's factory Autopilot, begins its maiden voyage. This system is a testament to Tesla's innovation, allowing the vehicle to navigate the complex environment of the factory floor without human intervention. It navigates through a predetermined route, passing by busy workstations, avoiding obstacles, and seamlessly merging with other autonomous vehicles. The precision is astounding, as the car maneuvers with the grace of a seasoned driver. It's a choreographed dance of technology, a testament to the precision and intelligence of Tesla's self-driving system. Each vehicle communicates with others, ensuring a smooth and efficient flow of traffic within the factory. The journey culminates at the loading docks, where the car patiently waits to be shipped to its lucky owner. This final step is the bridge between the factory and the real world, where the car will soon be driven on roads and highways. This entire process from start to finish showcases the potential of autonomous technology to transform not just transportation, but also manufacturing and logistics. It's a glimpse into the future where machines and humans work together to create something extraordinary. Section 5. The road ahead, from factories to our driveways. Seeing these cars drive themselves in the factory gets you thinking. How far have we come in the journey of autonomous driving? The sight of these vehicles assembling themselves is nothing short of futuristic. It makes you wonder how long until we see this tech on our streets. The dream of fully autonomous vehicles navigating our daily commutes is becoming more tangible each day. Tesla's already pushing the boundaries of what's possible with full self-driving on public roads. Their advancements are not just limited to highways but extend to the intricate maze of city streets. This factory implementation is like a giant real-world testing ground where every movement is monitored and analyzed. The data collected here is invaluable. It helps in refining the technology at an incredible pace. Each test drive, each mile covered, brings us closer to a future where autonomous driving is the norm. While fully autonomous driving on city streets is still a complex challenge, the progress made so far is promising. The urban environment presents unique obstacles, but Tesla's technology is evolving to meet these challenges head-on. Tesla's progress inside its factory gives us a glimpse of what might be possible in the near future. The seamless integration of automation in the manufacturing process is a testament to their innovative spirit. Imagine a world where your car drives you to work, picks up groceries, and even handles errands without any human intervention. This isn't just a fantasy, it's a vision that's rapidly approaching reality. And it doesn't stop there. Your car could find a parking spot on its own, eliminating the stress of finding a place to park in crowded areas. All while you relax or catch up on work. The convenience and efficiency of such a system could revolutionize the way we think about transportation. This is the future that Tesla is working towards, a future where transportation is seamless, efficient, and autonomous. The progress they're making is truly exciting. Each step forward brings us closer to a world where autonomous driving is not just a possibility, but a reality. Section 6. Challenges and speed bumps, navigating the uncertainties. Now, it wouldn't be a proper tech breakdown without addressing the challenges. Self-driving tech, especially in complex environments, still has a long way to go. We're talking about ensuring safety in unpredictable situations, dealing with different weather conditions, and navigating the complexities of human behavior on the road. These are not easy problems to solve, and it's crucial that companies like Tesla prioritize safety and ethical considerations as they continue to develop this technology. Section 7. Driving into the future. A glimpse of what's possible. Tesla's self-driving factory is more than just a cool tech demo. It's a sign of things to come, a glimpse into a future where automation and artificial intelligence transform the way we live, work, and get around. While there are still hurdles to overcome, the progress being made is undeniable. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of self-driving technology not just on our roads but in all aspects of our lives.